There are a variety of interaction patterns we can use during our lessons, such as whole class, small groups, pair work, and of course mingling. There are, of course, many others, but there is one which for me, I seem to use fairly regularly. I call it conveyor belt speaking, but I've also heard it called the choo-choo train or train station. So students form two rows facing each other, and students interact with the student that's facing them, like this. When they've finished speaking, bring one student from the end to the next row, from this row to this row. Then ask everybody to move down. And this student joins this row, like this. So this will change the student pairings and allow them to interact again, but with a different person. And the process can be repeated over and over again. If there is an issue with an odd number of students, so let's say that you have 5 here and 4 here, the best thing to do is to pair two students together. Okay? So they act as one. So when they come to move, they move together. They move down. And this student comes across. And so on. Together. And so forth. Primary students may struggle to keep still, so setting up 2 rows of chairs in advance will help them keep them in position. So put chairs out in advance before seating them, like this. So let's talk about uses. So it can be used to discuss leading questions at the beginning of the lesson. We could use it to share ideas from an activity. You could use it to gather ideas by asking students to discuss questions. So for asking and discussing questions, we could use it to present findings following some research that they've done in class, or even for homework. And you could also use it as part of a review task. Okay, so that's my favorite interaction pattern. Thank you very much.